Greetings boys and girls, Chef Adam here, and we're gonna make a Yogi Detox green smoothie. This is basically a green smoothie, but you know, we kind of spice it up with a little funny name. But what we got going on is a green smoothie, yes indeed, and we have all these ingredients going in the blender, blend it up, and then it goes in your belly, and it's just that easy, right? So we have some pineapple, frozen pineapple, a cup of that. We have a frozen banana. We have 2 cups of fresh spinach. We're gonna peel this orange and seed it and throw that in the blender too. And we have a little bit of cinnamon, also a pinch of salt, salt to taste. I always do that very last, taste my smoothie and say, oh, okay, a little bit of salt. It actually helps to bring out all the flavors of your other ingredients. And last but not least, we're gonna put some water in there just so it'll blend and it actually is a smoothie and not a thickie. So this is about 1.5 cups of filtered water. You could also use coconut water or a fresh juice like apple juice or orange juice. Just keep in mind if you use something other than water that has a sweetness to it, you might want to adjust the recipe. It might end up too sweet. So we're just gonna go down the line and load up the blender. So we throw the pineapple in there, banana, spinach, cinnamon, put the water on top. Save the salt for last. And then, let me cut this up. Now, typically I would get like a navel orange or something that peels easy, but this guy doesn't look like he's gonna peel for me. So I'm just gonna do it old school. You can actually leave a little bit of peel. This is an organic orange, so you leave a little peel on there, you get some orange zest. That's not bad at all. That's one of my favorite ingredients in a smoothie would be a little bit of orange zest. Now I'm gonna do like this, cut around the equator. All right, all the way around, but not all the way through, and then twist. And then we can see if there's any seeds. I don't think I see any. Okay, this is a seedless orange. But that goes in there. Now we are ready to blend. Slide this guy over. Okay. Here it comes. There you have it. Yogi Detox Green Smoothie. Enjoy, come back, check often. Lots of good stuff coming. Keep it live. See ya.